Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can select one particular database in structured query language. In MySQL we need to select one particular database and then we can execute any query on that database. And the syntax is, first of all we have to write the use keyword and followed by the name of the database, and this way we can select that particular database and we can execute different queries on that database. Like an example, first of all we are going to use the show databases command to check the available databases, and you can see we have the database called my database. Now to select that particular database we have to write the command. So I'm going to write use my database and I'm going to execute that command, and you can see we have successfully selected that particular database, and now we can execute multiple queries on that database. So this way we write the use keyword followed by the name of the database to select one particular database, and then we can execute multiple queries on that database. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.